Welcome back.
Nice to chat again. So, what digital marketing topic are we discussing today?
Today, we're talking to anyone stuck in research mode. Stay to the end. I've got a free resource that's going to help you get out of procrastination and into actually doing something for your digital marketing dream. You know the feeling. You're excited about creating a digital product. You believe it could work for you. But instead of starting, you're in this endless loop, watching tutorials, saving TikToks, bookmarking Instagram posts, opening how to start guides, and then doing it all over again the next day. And it's not just you, social media is designed to keep you there. Every video you watch is carefully crafted to make you want the next one. Before you know it, you've been scrolling for an hour. You feel inspired, but you've done nothing.
Yep, that's me right now. Like, exactly.
Right? And here's the thing, you might actually be learning some great stuff, but unless you're doing something with it, you're just stockpiling ideas in your brain. Here's a quick reset you can try tonight. Before you watch another tutorial, review what you've already saved this week. Pick one or two things you've learned and write them down. Then ask yourself, what could I do with this today?
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Why does that help though?
Because most people think they're in information overload because they just haven't learned enough yet. But really, it's often down to confidence. You're trying something new. You're comparing yourself to people who've been doing this for years, and your brain goes, well, they're better than me. I can't start until I'm at their level.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's me. I keep thinking I need to watch more before I'm even allowed to start.
Exactly. But the more you keep learning without doing, the more it reinforces that I'm not ready feeling. That's why reviewing what you already know is powerful. It shows you've got more than enough to take the first step.
Yeah, okay. I guess it would help me see I already know enough to start. Like, build a bit of momentum.
Spot on. And that brings us to the next step, turning what you know into something small you can create. My favorite way to keep it simple is one problem, one audience, one solution. Just focus on solving one problem for one group of people in one easy way.
All right, so why does that help? It sounds straightforward, but yeah.
Because one of the best ways to beat procrastination is to create something tangible. When you've got a done task, even if it's small, it gives you that hit of achievement. It's proof you can actually make something, and it breaks the cycle of I need to keep learning before I can start.
Okay, yeah. I can see how that would feel different. Like, actually moving forward.
So, let's find your one problem, one audience, one solution. Think about what's already part of your life, something you enjoy, something you've worked out for yourself that other people struggle with.
Well, I'm really into home workouts. I've got this routine of 6 quick moves I do every morning. It's only 10 minutes, no equipment. My friends always say they wish they could stick to something like that.
There you go. Problem: busy people who want to move more but don't have time. Audience: beginners who want simple home workouts. Solution: your 6 moves in 10 minutes morning routine.
That does sound simple, but I'd want it to look nice, like those Canva guides people post online.
Ah, that's the perfectionism talking. Your first version doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to exist so someone can try it.
So how do I make myself actually sit down and do it? I always get distracted.
Here's something I swear by. Set a 25 to 30-minute timer and work on just one small bit. And before you close your laptop, leave a sticky note with your next step for tomorrow, like write the intro or pick a title. That way you open it up tomorrow and know exactly where to start. It makes getting back into it way easier.
I love that. I always end up browsing when I open my laptop. That sticky note would keep me focused. Like, no excuses.
Exactly. So tonight, keep it light. Just jot down your 6 moves and a short instruction for each. That's it. Tomorrow you can make it pretty.
Yeah, that's definitely manageable. Feels less scary now.
Perfect. Then share it with a couple of friends or in a small group and just ask, would this help? You're not looking for a big launch, just proof that it's useful.
All right, I can do that. Thanks, this is helping.
Love it. And if you're listening and this sounds like you, I've got something that'll help you take this further. It's free, easy, beginner friendly, and will get you out of procrastination and into creating. It's called the 30-minute Faceless Funnel, and you'll find the link in the description.
I'm getting that for sure.
Awesome. So here's your challenge. No more endless scrolling tonight. Do your review, pick your one problem, and take one small action. You've got this.